Ford is giving customers a direct line to vehicle engineers. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Ford is unveiling a new feature called Record Feedback. With us is Jason Griffin, Power Unit Quality Supervisor. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Fred. How are you today?
Terrific. Well, tell us what Record Feedback is. This is something brand new.
Well, yeah, it's very exciting for us. We've developed a new feature for our customers to where they can basically press a button in the center stack, and it's open mic for 45 seconds. They can say whatever they want to say to Ford. They can say things they love. They can say things they hate. They can say things about experiences with their vehicle. And what is really nice is, when you press the button, a voice prompt will come over the vehicle, and it'll say, tell us any likes, dislikes, or other experiences that you're having with your vehicle. And you can press the record button, and then you can say whatever you want for 45 seconds, and then hit the send button. And we're able to ingest that data, and it gets routed to our engineers. We send it through some text analytics, AI machine learning binning model that will bin it into one of 1,000 different categories, and then it's there for our engineers for the taking to go and look at that feedback and try to make those next products better.
So this is going to be on the screen that people have, that are the screens that are so common today in the vehicles.
Yeah, it's basically a soft button in that center stack. It's either in, depending on what vehicle you have, it would be in either general settings, record feedback, or it could also be in the app drawer on some of the other vehicles.
And this is available on more than 330,000 vehicles now, I understand, with more to be added.
That's correct. So yeah, we're on pretty much 21 through 23 model year Mach-E. We're on a select number of F-150 Lightnings right now, and we're just starting to roll out to Expedition and Edge right now. And by sometime next year, 2024 calendar year, we'll be on a total of 11 vehicle lines. So this is about to really blow up here.
So how is Ford going to benefit from this? What are your hopes?
Well, the hopes are that we've had a long time system of communicating with our customers as far as through surveys and various feedback, where we ask people, our customers, what do you like most, what do you dislike most? But those surveys can take quite a bit of time to get their responses back, to where some of those surveys are 3 months, 12 months, 36 months in service. And when you get that either paper form or that email to fill out, you have to think back across your ownership experience and think, well, geez, what did I like? What did I not like? And you're filling it out. It tends to be top of mind type information. Now with this, right, you can press that button whenever you want, when you're driving or parked, and you can say whatever you want. So your feedback, it's a different kind of feedback. It's in the moment, heat of the moment. Something may have just happened, or you may have just realized that you don't like something, or maybe you do like something. We're here, you can press the button, you can let us know, because we really love connecting with our customers and trying to develop the best vehicle for them. And another thing I wanted to add too was, we don't only collect the voice snippet for 45 seconds, right? When you press that button, if your data settings are set correctly, to enable data sharing, we also grab a snapshot of connected vehicle data at the same time. And this is very, very valuable to us Ford engineers, right? Because now, for the first time, we're able to now not only listen to the verbatim, but then we see the associated connected vehicle data, which can be very, very helpful in root causing what might be going on in the vehicle. And it's really helped us to solve some problems and see some initial positive momentum from this feature.
Are you going to give customers any direction about, what's an appropriate kind of way to use this and what's not, or you're just going to let them have at it?
Yeah, well, we do have there's a little icon within the feature, a little info circle button, like with most of our features, where the customer can press that button, and it will disclose what we're doing with the information, and it will describe generally how to use it, right? But it is very user friendly. I mean, you press that button and it says, hey, tell us any likes, dislikes, or other suggestions. So, that's what we disclose to the customers, and we're getting some really, really great feedback. People are taking the feature very seriously, which is a good thing.
That's terrific. But of course, everybody's an individual, and somebody might like a particular feature that you have in a vehicle and someone might not. So you have to weigh all of that, I guess. You can't please everyone, but.
Yeah, absolutely. You can't just say, hey, we got a bit of feedback that somebody doesn't like something that maybe we did with an over-the-air update or a new bit of software, because there might be 5 more that do like that, right? So, naturally, as the information comes in and it gets routed to the appropriate engineering teams, they will always weigh those balances and try to make the best decision for our customer going forward.
And it can be really anything from the workings of the car to the size of the cup holder or whatever.
Yeah, we get all sorts of feedback. A lot of feedback, after we release, like a new software update, there's always, there's positives and negatives, like we talked about with those, and we hear all of it. You can also press the button and, just mention that, hey, I've never liked the way this worked on my vehicle, or for some reason, maybe you don't like the paint job, or maybe there's a rattle. I mean, it's really for anything. It's like I had mentioned, it's really open mic for 45 seconds. You can press it as many times as you want while driving or parked. And we really are, starting to solve some problems with this, which has just been fantastic internally.
And eventually across the full lineup, is that the goal here?
Yeah, we've developed it right now for use in the United States right now. Various different countries have different rules in place. We'd like to bring it globally at some point, but for now we're working on rolling this out in the US.
Again, it's called Record Feedback from Ford. Jason Griffin, thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you so much, Fred. I appreciate the time.